Alright guys, so welcome back to my new video, and now we're gonna be playing this game. So by the way guys, thank you for all of the support that you guys have made me. Actually, thank you guys for the support that you guys are the best. And this is the city. Um, 3 days, 3 days and 13 hours. Damn, I forgot about this game. By the way, guys, this is a cool game, so I hope you guys try this because this is actually really, really fun. I'm just saying that this is fun. Man, I'm fucking brilliant. Let's try this. Maybe this could work. It's fucking brilliant. Oh my gosh. Romance again. I'm just gonna use this one. Nope, it's still too long. Alright, so I'm talking about this, just about the use this. Mm-hmm. 867. This, this is 1 this is a billion. No! Nah, dog. No way! That's not cool. What the fuck? It's 1.5 trillion. Oh, so this is the map. Alright, guys, check this out. That is my rocket, and check out how big this is. I have trillions right now. This is actually really crazy. Oh, by the way, guys, okay, so rate my front grip right now. I know that it's really cool, and check this out. This is large. Rate that explosion from 1 to 10, y'all. Thank you for the subscribers. I'm not lying. Thank you actually for the subscribers. I'm gonna redo this again and again and again. Oh, so that's my research point. How am I able to even get those? sorry about this sounds. It just feels like really cool to me. Basically called for an rocket. I mean rocket. Okay, there we go. Oh, guys, it's in coconut never mind. I'm just gonna print it as is. I get that cute robot. Oh, that cute robot. Let's go. I didn't get it, but it's fine. At least I got the cute robot right here. Then, so, we're gonna play this. Oh shit, darling. I hope what I said earlier, the I hope YouTube does not demonetize me. Demot demonetize me, yeah, demonetize me. Because if I did, I can't post YouTube back to you guys. So yeah, I don't wanna get demonetized, you know. Then let's go. We got that and no. So if any of you guys know how to yeah, basically give up on that thing, I to like delete it, I was feel bad, right? To do the move on, if necessary. I've actually played this game before. Okay. So guys, actually we're gonna be playing two games. I hope this video does not get copyrighted. Comment down below what your favorite game was. I'm gonna try them out. Hold on. What should I play? Hope Army Tycoon. I think I have played that before. I don't know. I'm not sure if I played that game before, but guys, comment down below what your favorite games are. I'm gonna try them out. On to the next video, I'm gonna try your favorite games out. Just put them. Just do it. Never mind. Just comment them down below so I can try them out. Guys, I am not kidding. I'm actually gonna try them out. Okay. Actually, we're gonna play one time, one game only. I'm gonna try this one to after I make you guys a save before I play you guys' favorite games. So yeah, just like my normal intro, just like my normal outro. Peace out. Peace.